Hello, money. I mean, it just looks so expensive. I'm Carmeon Hamilton, interior designer, content creator, blogger, and HGTV's Design Star Next Gen winner. I'm on a mission to elevate my bar with some simple crafts that I can complete in the time it takes to drink one cocktail. I'm gonna be making a gilded planner for some fresh herbs and a little mojito to drink while I make it. So good. We're ready for crafts now. I think I'm gonna start with the black pot. And so I have a gold leafing kit. I think a lot of people are intimidated by gold leaf, but I promise you it's one of the easiest things you can do. I think a triangle shape will give me the impact that I'm looking for. I'm just gonna use some tape to mark off my design. People who have more of a glamorous aesthetic are afraid of DIY projects, but you don't have to be. Vision is 90% of it. Execution, 10%. So now that my tape is on, my triangle is marked, just take a little brush, get some adhesive on it, and you just apply the adhesive where you want your gold foil to go. Bam, that's it. Let it dry just a little bit. Our adhesive is tacky. This is where everybody gets all, ooh. Gold foil can really be super delicate. The tip is to let the packaging do the work for you. You see how it kind of holds on to this plastic sheet? So you open it, take your adhesive part, and apply like this. Something like that, yeah. And pull it off. Use your sheet to press the foil into the adhesive and just tap it down. See the ridges of the planter coming through? You can always go back and add a little bit more adhesive later, tack on some more foil. The fun part is making a mess. So you just brush away the excess foil. The brushing kind of burnishes the foil into place and gives you that smooth surface. This little spot here and these little spots here, I'd probably, let's see if this works. Maybe the adhesive is there. Ooh, okay. Maybe we got it, let's see. Yeah, rustic glam. That's what we're going for. I'm in love with this coverage so far. It's time to peel some tape. This is so satisfying. A tape reveal. Yes. This looks great. Let's get to the next one. A hand-painted design on pretty much any element in a space just makes that space unique, gives it a special touch. So I want to hand paint this one. We're gonna wrap this tape where I don't want my design to pass. All the way around. Just make sure it's stuck on there. We're gonna gild our planter. Gilding medium, it's an oil-based material, so you wanna make sure you've got some supplies nearby for cleanup, like alcohol or paint thinner. It's actually a lot like paint, but it's a lot more pigmented, and it's gonna be nice and shiny and special, like we all are. Ooh, it's like liquid gold. I wanna do something a little bit more organic, so maybe some arches. Let's go. A little swoosh. Told you it was shiny. Keep it going. Ta-da! We have a whole row of swooshes. Is that what we're going with? Swooshes. You wanna wait about 5 minutes before pulling off your tape. This looks like it's dry. Let's see. Oh, the magic of tape really makes this look professional. I mean, we did two. in the time it takes to drink one cocktail. I love how the gold pops against the black base. Just some tape got us this crisp, geometric look. And then of course, this little baby. Get that organic look. Such a compliment to the black one. They're perfect little babies together. I cannot wait to get them on the bar with herbs in them. Cheers.